I find we just got into the new year. Yeah, I'm one of those guys that's gonna goal set and all that, and half of them I'm probably not gonna stick to. Um, it can feel hollow sometimes when you set these goals and you try to work towards them. One of the things I found has been really successful. I'm in a weight loss group right now. I'm in a personal finance management group of just a few friends and colleagues that I've worked with in the past. But one of the best things you can do is have an accountability partner. So, you set a goal, you make it, you define it. What specifically are you trying to accomplish, and what are the strategies you're going to deploy? But another great thing to do is to communicate those to somebody who can help hold you accountable. Have regularly phone calls. I mean, I meet with these guys, every other week, and we just talk about, hey, here's where I'm at with my goals. Here's what I'm doing. Here's what I did this month. Here's what I'm doing next month. It's amazing how far an accountability partner can take you when you feel like you're just spinning your tires.